everyone, Nancy with that Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. And it's November. It's fall soup time. I'm in a collab with Gail from Gail's Southern Living and Heather at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. So it's my turn to do a fall soup. So what I've done, and I've already cut this up because I didn't know how long they would take to cook. I've got, move this down so y'all can see. I'll bring y'all over here. We have acorn squash in here. So I've been letting it cook because it takes a while to cook. And they've gotten pretty soft now. Yeah, I saw a seed in there. How about that? So I'm going to mash this up a little bit. Because sometimes we like our soups chunky. Sometimes we like them creamy. So that's my acorn squash. I'm going to add some carrots in there. So we're going to bring this back up to a boil. And I'm going to add some mushrooms. Because I just love mushrooms. Alright. So we got all that in there. We're going to bring this back to a boil. And while that is boiling, I found some coconut milk powder. So I'm going to add some of that in there because I want it to thicken up a little bit more. Because, you know, we don't use regular powdered milk or anything else. We're dairy free. So this is an option if you are looking a different way. Besides cornstarch and potato starch. And I'm just going to add this right on in. Mash it up a little bit. And that's about a teaspoon in there. So we're going to see how this goes. And I'm quite sure it will, because it smells so good. It smells, it's coconut. And then I'm going to use Mrs. Dash seasoning salt, garlic, and herb. It has like everything in here. So I'm just going to use this for seasoning. We're going to mash everything up. Let this cook just a little bit longer. Alrighty, there we go. Let's see here. We'll simmer it. We'll get all those carrots all nice together and squished up. Alright. One off. There we go. Alright. So now we're going to bring it back to a simmer. And I'm going to add probably about a teaspoon of seasoning because it's not that big of a pot. About that much. Oh, that smells good itself. It's the seasoning. We'll let this all come together. Now, on December 2nd, Gail is doing a giveaway. So make sure you go follow all the channels and comment on the videos because, you know, we all like to win things. We really do. You know, and then just to see who else wins and stuff. But all the soups that are coming out this month. And then, you know, the soups, the stews, the stoops, whatever, however you want to call them, will be so good. And some of us are warm, some of us are cold. You know how that goes. You know, the weather just wants to be the weather. So I will put all the people who are in the collab in the description down below so everybody can go see them. And I'm quite sure, you know, the longer I let this sit, the thicker it will get. But I am ready to have some. y'all can see. And the carrots, with the carrots and the acorn squash being orange, turns the soup an orange color for fall. Get some of those mushrooms in there. And you can mash it up a little bit more. I don't let the rest of that cook. And I might add another teaspoon of the coconut milk in there, powder, just to see if it depends on how well this thickens up here in a little bit. Alright, there we go. This is my acorn, carrot, and mushroom fall soup. And I'll put the ingredients down below in the recipe and what I did. And I'll also, well, that's as far as it will go. There we go. So, it smells so good. So here's everything on the spoon, the mushrooms, the carrots, and the acorn squash. Now let's have a taste. Oh, that is so good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like my soups a little bit thicker, so I can add some, like, either you can add rice to it, or orzo, or some quinoa, if you're looking to put over something else, or some noodles. But this is awesome. I really like it. And I'll definitely be adding some more of the milk powder in it, because I want it a little bit thicker. So thank y'all for coming by. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Check out the video list below. Look and see all those soups that are coming out. And thank you to Gail and Heather for letting me join the collab. And I will see y'all next time on Our Treasure Home.